Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your Solana from your Phantom wallet to your Coinbase wallet. It's a straightforward process, but I'll walk you through it step by step to make sure you do it safely and efficiently. Whether you're cashing out or just shuffling assets, this guide will save you time and hassle. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both wallets set up and ready. Open your Phantom Wallet app or extension on your device. If you're not logged in, do that now. Once you're in, navigate to your Solana balance. You'll see it listed under your assets. Solana is that speedy blockchain coin we've all been buzzing about. Next, head over to your Coinbase wallet. This is where your Solana is going, so open the app and find your wallet address. Tap on the Receive button. Select Solana as the asset, and copy that address to your clipboard. Double-check it because one wrong character could send your funds into the void. Now, back in Phantom Wallet, go to the Send or Transfer option. Paste the Coinbase wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Solana you want to withdraw. Remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which can vary based on congestion. Hit Next and review the transaction details carefully. This is crucial to avoid any mistakes. Once you're happy, confirm the transaction. You'll need to approve it with your wallet's security features, like a password or biometric scan. Sit tight while the blockchain processes it. Solana transactions are usually super fast, often under a minute. After that, switch back to Coinbase Wallet and refresh your balance. Your Solana should show up shortly. If it doesn't, give it a few minutes or check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like Solana's official site. A few quick tips. Always use the Solana network for these transfers to keep fees low and avoid complications. Never share your private keys, and consider using a VPN if you're on public Wi-Fi for added security. There you have it. You're all set to withdraw Solana like a pro in 2025. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.